up, everybody? Peace and love. Let's get into it. Today, I got HS80 RGB wireless headset, and we're gonna get into it, talk about it. I'm gonna play some games on it, see how it sounds, and also do a mic test, sound test, see how it sounds. Let y'all be the judge of that, and let's get into it. So with that being said, I got goals today, you got goals today. Thanks for watching. We're gonna get it done together, right? Yes, sir. Let's get it done. Yeah. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed. They want to know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. All right, here we go. So we got the headphones right here. Comes with Dolby Atmos Spider audio. And you get that surround sound movie-like sound. Spider. Omnidirectional microphone. Omnidirectional, comfortable floating headband design. So this is for the PC, Mac, PS5, and PS4. All right, see, comfortable, stress-free floating headband design. Robust slipstream wireless 24-bit. Bro, I don't know what this even means. Like, is it Bluetooth or not? Okay, like, what's it talking about? All right, so here go the unboxing. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, this looks really nice. I like this box, how it came in. Remind me of a shoe box. All right, so it looks like you have a guidebook, warranty, little Dolby Atmos headphone stuff. You know, go on your device and use this. USB transmitter for the headset. And lastly, USB Type-C. What is so great about it is that it has the braided cord. As you see, this nice cord quality. This is much better than the standard wired, because with the wire, it can tear, scratch, rip. With this, it's gonna take more time, get destroyed, ruined, messed up any kind of way. The yellowing, the braidage is much better quality. So this is really good for a $150 headset. And lastly, let's get into the headset itself. So I like the standard cush. It's not really that, you know, that leathery, pillowy. This is more of like that, I don't know, like a car seat. Let's get into it. You got the charging on the bottom, volume control, power button. I'm sure this indicates in glow. Let's try it out. It's pretty cool. So right here's the headset right here you'll speak into. It has the 360 omnidirectional headset. You got the little universal headset right here. It doesn't adjust. I guess you would adjust it by pulling it, but I'm not sure how far you can pull it. Or maybe not, I could be wrong, but this is pretty much the headphone. Super basic, $150. Without further ado, let's put it on my head, and then we're gonna go ahead and play some games, and I'm gonna let y'all be the judge on how I feel. So let's get started. All right, y'all. I haven't played Warzone in about 2 or 3 years. I'm just starting it right here because I was being chased after. Somebody was shooting at me. He's right there. And I'm about to see if I can get the drop on Cuz and take him out.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Oh, let's go. What? All right, so these are actually some dope headphones. I come to figure out that these actually have some sort of noise canceling. I don't want to say they do, but it has some sort of noise cancellation. I want to say active noise cancellation, not 100%, because like I kind of can't hear my outside. It's pretty simple. You just add it to the PlayStation, PC, or whatever have you. Automatic setup. You don't have to do too much to set it up. And it's pretty much a plug and play and go. For 150, it's super simple. You get decent quality, you get a good headset, 20-hour battery life. So you can pretty much say it's a whole day worth of battery life, which is pretty good. It has an option of going corded with a USB, and also you can actually charge it. So I think that's freaking awesome. So with that being said, it's a pretty much basic headset for 150. Not too much glamour, glitz, and all this extra stuff you can do, like an actual noise canceling, but it has some source of noise canceling, not officially. It has USB Type-C charging, so it is nice fast charging. It's not fully wireless, it has a transmitter. So though that being said, like I said, 8 out of 10 for what it's worth. I think it's pretty nice. I say go and cop it if you're looking for a basic entry level headset. These are it for you, and I think you'll like it. So with that being said, I got goals today, you got goals today. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. Peace, love, blessing to all of y'all. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Yes.